Today's project is going to be some routine maintenance on our Ford E350 van.
Alright, so here are the things you're going to need. This is a oil catch pan, filter tool, oil. This is 5-weight-20. This is high mileage. The van has over 200,000 miles now. And a wrench. I'm not sure which size we need for the drain plug yet. Also good to have some towels and gloves.
Obviously be a lot easier if you had a lift, but it is nice this van's actually big enough to get under without lifting it up at all. Alright, so it is 16 millimeter. I ended up switching to a breaker bar, just to make it a little easier. There it goes. So I think there's about 6 quarts of oil in there. So it's going to take a minute for it to drain.
Next, you're going to take off the oil filter.
Ugh.
And the number is not the same, but I think they're the same filter. As long as it fits, it should work. So this is the one, Motorcraft FL-820S.
Alright, so you get it hand tight. 3/4 turn.
Next, I'm putting the drain plug back in. Sorry for the blocked view here. Hand tight first, and then tighten it up with a socket wrench.